Hey there, savvy investors! Are you ready to supercharge your investing game? Click the link in the description below to get a special offer on your favorite investment app. Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown, Acorns versus Stash. First up, Acorns. If you're the type who wants to invest without even thinking about it, Acorns might be your best bud. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. So, buy a coffee for $3.50, and boom! 50 cents goes into your investment portfolio. How effortless is that? Now, Acorns isn't just about spare change. It offers various portfolios to suit your risk tolerance, from conservative to aggressive. Plus, they've got this cool feature called Acorns Later, which helps you save for retirement. And, let's be honest, who doesn't want to retire early? But hold up. Before you get too comfy with Acorns, let's talk about Stash. If you prefer having more control over your investments, Stash is your go-to. Stash lets you pick your own stocks and ETFs, giving you the flexibility to invest in what you believe in. You can also start with as little as $5. That's like a fancy coffee, but way more rewarding. Stash also offers a nifty feature called Smart Portfolio. It's a robo-advisor that tailors investments to your goals. And if you're a newbie, don't fret. Stash has tons of educational content to help you learn the ropes. Think of it as your personal finance coach. So which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your style. If you want a set-it-and-forget-it approach, Acorns is your jam. But if you want more control and love learning about investing, Stash is your match. Both apps come with their own fees. Acorns charges a monthly fee starting at $3, while Stash's plans start at $1 per month. So keep that in mind when making your choice. And here's a pro tip. Why not use both? Maximize your potential by leveraging the strengths of each app. Diversification isn't just for your investments, it's for your tools too. All right, investors, time to take action. Click the link in the description below for a special offer on these apps. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Until next time, may your investments be ever in your favor. Catch you later.